Joey, don't even get my other one. What? Don't even get my other one.
It didn't die. Hold on. It tickles. Oh. Is it a tiny little ball?
Yeah. Tiny little ball. The youngest ended.
Oh, don't do that. You'll kill him.
Is this him?
Where'd he go?
Oh, yes. Is this him? Can I hold him, Scram? He's mine. He's mine. Mommy, he's biting me. Mommy, he's biting me.
He's biting you?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Mommy. Mommy.
Okay, hold your hand out flat like this. What
It's
is it?
tiny.
It's a tiny?
I know.
What is it called?
Right here, right here.
Say a pill bug. What's it called?
It's pretty.
It's pretty? It's a pill bug.
Poo bag.
Yeah.
Oh, look at him. Look at him, Mommy.
He's on your finger.
Yeah. Oh, really? Look at him. Get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up.
Oh, don't do that. You'll kill it. You have to just hold it in your hand. Hey,
Mommy.
Reagan. Reagan.
He's biting
Go.
me. Mommy's biting me.
He's not biting you. I think he's almost.
Let me rock. Oh, oh, oh. He's biting me. Get him back, Mommy.
He's back.
Get him back.
You want him to walk?
Yeah. Get him to walk. Ooh, ooh.
Don't touch him. Just let him walk. Don't touch him. Oh, he's on your finger now. Just let him walk.
Oh. Oh. He's looking at me. Oh.
He's on your finger.
It tickles, Mommy.
It tickles?
Yeah, it tickles at me. Tickle, tickle. That tickles. And my finger.
He's on your finger?
Yeah, pink. And my finger. That tickles, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
That tiny bug, Mommy.
Tiny bug.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a little bug, Mommy.
It's a yellow bug.
Yeah. What's his name, Mommy?
You can name him. What do you want his name to be?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Oh.
Oh. What do you want his name to be?
He's walking on me.
He's walking on you?
Yeah. That tickles. That tickles, Snakey.
Snakey? That's a pill bug.
It's a cool bug.
Yeah, what do you want his name to be? Do you want to call him Ollie?
Yeah.
Or do you want to call him Susie?
Susie.
Or Bob?
He's not Bob.
Him not Bob?
No.
Is his name Susie?
Oh! Look at him.
Look at him.
He's like on my Bible. That's funny.
That's funny.
Look at him.
He wants to be on your elbow.
too.
Uh-huh.
He don't want to.
Yeah, he's on your elbow. Where's he going? Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Let him crawl.
I'm going down the hole.
He's going down.
Oh. You're going down the hole.
Do you like him?
Yeah.
What's his name?
I don't know.
You don't know? Are you going to pick a name? You want it to be Drover, like your doggy?
It's a little snake.
It's a little snake?
Yeah.
No, it's a pill bug.
Look at him.
Oh, he's on your fingers again.
And cutting on my finger.
It's crawling on your finger.
Oh!
Should we take him back outside and put him back in his home?
No, Mommy.
Why?
Take him for me.
You want to save him?
Yeah. Pocket? Put him in my pocket, Mom. Put him in my pocket.
You want to put him in your pocket?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy.
What?
Let him call, Mommy. He's biting me. He's biting me.
No, he's just curled up in a ball. He's not biting.